Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to tag someone on Facebook Reel after posting it. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Next, locate the reel you've already posted. You can do this by going to your profile, tapping on the Reels tab, and selecting the reel you want to edit. Step 3. Once your reel is open, look for the 3 dots in the top right corner of the post. Tap on it to open the options menu. Step 4. From the menu, select Edit Reel or Edit Post, depending on the option available for your account. This will allow you to make changes to your post. Step 5. Now, at the bottom of the screen, you'll see a People option. Tap on it to open the tagging feature. Step 6. Here, you can search for the person you want to tag. Simply type their name in the search bar, select their profile, and they'll be added to your post. Step 7. Once you've tagged the person or people you want, don't forget to save the changes. Look for the Save or Checkmark option in the top right corner and tap it to confirm your edits. That's it. You've successfully tagged someone on your Facebook Reel after posting it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.